Running out of lithium? We're not running out of lithium, and here's why. Let's dive into the science, the numbers, and what really limits the batteries that power our lives. Did you know that there are about 30 million tons of lithium reserves out there? That's the part we can mine economically now. Plus, there's around 115 million tons of resources identified underground. Pretty reassuring, right? In fact, production levels are already climbing, with around 240,000 tons expected in 2024. So, why do we use lithium in batteries? It's the lightest metal and has super low reduction potential. This combo gives us high voltage and energy density, all packed into compact rechargeable cells, perfect for those electric vehicles. Though we call them lithium batteries, it's actually nickel and graphite that do most of the heavy lifting. A typical 60 kilowatt-hour battery pack carries about 6 kilograms of lithium, but over 10 kilograms of nickel. Here's a fun thought. For every EV needing about 6 to 8 kilograms of lithium, those 30 million tons of reserves could power billions of cars. And with new battery chemistries like LFP, we can reduce our nickel and cobalt needs even more. The chatter about lithium scarcity isn't about its availability. The real issue is how quickly we can permit new mines, refine the materials, and build our supply chains. As of 2023, a whopping 85% of lithium demand comes from batteries. Bottom line, we're not running out of lithium anytime soon. With smart chemistry and innovative recycling, the future of batteries is bright and sustainable. Safe, powerful, and essential. Let's keep pushing forward.